Let's go over how to use AI license plate restoration through the VUEROID Hub app. AI license plate restoration helps make blurry or damaged license plate images easier to identify. In important situations such as hit and run or minor accidents where the license plate is recorded unclearly, this function attempts to restore the plate and provide useful clues for investigations. The AI license plate restoration and AI privacy protection can be used up to 5 times per day, and the usage count resets at midnight every day. First, press the Wi-Fi button on the device to turn on Wi-Fi. Wait until the message, "Wi-Fi is ready," appears. Once Wi-Fi on your S1 is ready, launch the VUEROID Hub app on your smartphone. Tap Connect Wi-Fi to connect with your S1. After successfully connecting to the S1, tap Playback at the bottom of the app. Download the video that includes the license plate you want to restore. Go to My Library and select the downloaded video. Pause the video at the frame where the license plate you want to restore is visible enough. Tap AI License Plate Restoration. You can use 2 fingers to zoom in or out on the image, and 1 finger to move around the image. Tap Specify Restore Area. Adjust the red box to fit around the license plate you want to restore. Frame the full front or rear of the vehicle, ensuring the license plate is not cropped. You can still adjust the image with your fingers, such as zooming in, zooming out, or moving the footage to fit the license plate into the red box. Once you have properly aligned the part of the license plate you want to restore within the red box, tap Transfer to send the image for AI processing. You can choose to either wait until the restoration is completed or receive a push notification. To receive push notifications, go to your smartphone's Settings, Apps, VUEROID Hub, and turn on Notification. If you select Wait, you should stay on the current screen until the restoration process on the server is finished. Once the process is done, tap Confirm. If you select Notify, you'll receive push notification no matter what you're doing on your phone, or even if you turn off the app forcibly or turn off the screen of your smartphone. When the restoration is completed on the server, you will receive a push notification. Once the restoration is done, and when you check the push notification, a pop-up will appear asking if you want to download the restored image. Tap Confirm to download the processed image. The processing time for AI license plate restoration may vary depending on server load and network conditions. The processed image will be saved in My Library with the following file name format. Here are a few important points. The AI is not trained to process license plates that are already clearly readable by the human eye. If you attempt to restore a plate that is already legible, the results may be poor or inaccurate. AI restoration values are algorithm-based estimates and may differ slightly from the actual values. We recommend using them only as supplementary information for accurate judgment or important decision-making.